Next I'm replacing this. It is a relay for the heater high switch. So there's two little bolts folded on and a plug, and so that thing is right here. By the looks of it, you just wiggle it. Mine doesn't look too good. Looks kind of melted there on that plug, and looks a little melted there too. I don't know, maybe we have a different wiring issue other than this relay. It's one way to find out, eh? We'll chase down this purple wire and see. Yeah, that purple wire running from there to the actual motor is burnt. So actually, maybe that's just the problem. Maybe the relay's still good. Either way, I think why this isn't coming apart is because it's melted together. So, there we go. Yep, exactly. Yes. Yes. So, fuck. That sucks. That sucks. That sucks. So why did that burn up? Going from there, from here to there, there to here. This looks fine. That looks fucked. Maybe just not a good connection. Okay, either way. We'll fix that and we'll put it back together. Got it all installed in there.
Yeah.